Hi friends, so today I will let you know how to update the public holiday in eSSL time track software. So let's log in into eSSL software, ESL, then you can put the password and then you can click on masters, go to public holidays. So it is the by default edit in the public holidays. Okay, so like New Year's, India Republic Day, Memorial Day, US Independence Day, India Independence Day, US Labor Day, some it is the by default edit. So in case that public holiday, if it is not added and you want to delete or modify the public holiday as per this list, so you can, like, you want to update like this one, Diwali or Karnataka, some, because it is a changing. Okay, you can add it and you can update the date. Okay, and also if you want to delete, you can click here delete, then it will be deleted from the holiday list. And if you want to add one more or more public holidays in the eSSL software, then just click on here and add like text. Okay, you can select the company and date. It is for like second and add. This is successfully added. So here we can add the public holiday. We can update, हम यहाँ से public holiday update कर सकते हैं as per the your company list, as per your software. So thank you so much for watching the video. Have a good day.